Wait. Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open this.
GiftEms.
GiftEms, I always forgot.
Yeah, GiftEms dolls.
And today this GiftEms doll is GiftEms doll.
The serious one, right?
Serious one.
And you
we're
got two.
only opening serious one. It's because it's nighttime. Nighttime.
Yeah. Can you show us the package? You got two girls. Let me show you. Have a close up. Wow, Audrey.
See you. See you. See you. I'm just kidding. I'm not seeing you. Can I? Can I open it now?
Yeah, of course. Wow. Where this girl from?
This girl is from England. This is from Uruguay.
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 Oh, Uruguay.
Let's ask Google.
Yeah, you can ask Google.
Hey Google.
No, Google is sleeping or what?
Hey Google.
Hey Google.
Hey.
Google is sleeping. Hey Google.
And you have to get out of the camera. So I can do
How
something.
to pronounce Uruguay?
That's pronounced Uruguay.
Uruguay. Okay, let's open it. Let's open it. Whoa. You just have to wind it and then open it. You just have to.
Difficult or what?
No, it's not difficult. It only has blue. Nothing. It scared me. That's okay. You eat that. I'll take these grays out. These are how you open the presents. It's loose. Place it back. Pop it out. Get out, you. Oopsies. These are the surprise box. And this one is red. It's like this. Put the girl on it. Is this hers? No, it's not hers. Where's the other one? Where'd the other one go? Oh, it's staying here. Oh, we can change everything. Like, give me that one girl first. Oh, yeah, it's over there. They can change their hair. Look at this. Took off their hair. We can also change their hair. And that one have this one. And it's okay if I forget.
Well, this is a surprise. We didn't know what's inside.
We change their hair. Look at how funny they look. Sit. Okay. Got it? You got it. Oh, we did it! Change your hair. Let's push them back. And now this hair is supposed. No, it's not like this. Like this. So that. Now we can try to change their dress. We changed the pants. Now they look not the same. Don't they look different?
Let's have a close up.
No, this way. This way, this way, this way. Okay, let's put their pants back together first. So the hairs and stick in. These are very fun, actually. Oh, we're done. We also can change the whole thing. Ah! Whoop.
Broken apart.
And we can also put the pants. Okay, thanks. I got it better. Here. Maybe we're not changing the whole body. We're just gonna see what the next one looks like. And put this one back. Okay.
Oh, this is a surprise.
I found these.
Where's this girl from? Let me
There's also another thing.
Okay, you guessed this girl is from where?
This girl is from Shellington.
No, this one is from Manila, Philippines.
Filipino.
Yeah, Filipino. This is
Philippines.
Uruguay.
She's
This
very
is Spanish, and this one is from United Kingdom, London. Lily London, Teresa Tango, and this is a Panopalaya. Her name, I mean.
They look the same.
Yeah, all the
Same
hair.
hair.
Okay.
But they're actually kind of different color. Let me put them back first. Okay, let me fix all the stuff I will with this one on. Philippines. It's supposed to open like this.
Yeah,
And then press them on.
it's okay. You don't need to put it too hard.
What about this one? No, this one's from this one.
Yeah, this
This
from
pink
United.
present.
Yeah, from United Kingdom.
This one's from.
The last one.
then last one.
Uruguay.
Uruguay. This is so hard to say. And we need to close their presents. They're some monsters. This,
No,
which
show
one
me.
is which? Which one?
Okay, let's have a close up.
Okay, fine. The monster's coming. They have to hide. They have to hide. Close time. Close time. Let me hide the person. They have to hide. The monster's gonna eat them. The monster's gonna eat them. Quickly hide in your presents. First you have to put this one, and then this one, and then the in your presents. You two, you go faster. Present. Whew. These are presents. Okay. This. And then put it back. And bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us big thumbs up. Bye.